Do you suffer from chronic inflammation, joint or muscle pain? Does your pain keep you up at night from enjoying the activities you love most? If so, MagnaHeal 2 may be your solution. MagnaHeal 2 is used to decrease inflammation, speed up the healing cycle, and relieve muscle and joint pain. MagnaHeal 2 wearable belt can be used while you sleep, walk, exercise, or watch TV. It comes with 3 adjustable belts that can be worn head to foot. If you suffer from headaches, neck or back pain, tennis elbow, knee pain, or plantar fasciitis, MagnaHeal 2 can quickly reduce the inflammation and pain by speeding up the body's healing cycle. So how does the MagnaHeal 2 work? Our body's normal cell voltage is around 20 to 25 MV. Injured or inflamed cell voltage runs between 5 to 10 MV. We know that cells use electromagnetic currents to communicate, function, and heal. Think about it this way. If your phone runs on 5% battery, it will barely have the power it needs to make phone calls, and the speed will slow down your apps. The same thing happens internally in the body when the cell voltage is low and the body is stuck in the inflammation stage. The goal of the MagnaHeal 2 is to increase the voltage so that the body can heal faster. Don't let pain keep you from living your best life. Take charge of your health today with MagnaHeal 2. To get your MagnaHeal today, visit astrinstitute.com or call 888-210-2787.